Before we are able to answer our TDQ question, we need to review our thinking steps. Step 1 asks us, what is the text mostly about? In order to answer this question, we need to ask ourselves if we are learning about someone or something. After taking a closer look at this section of page 34, we know we are learning about something. If we take an even closer look at page 34, we know we are learning about eating giant squid. We know that by looking at this heading right here, which is Are Giant Squids Good to Eat? We also see a picture of a plate and the illustration of Clyde eating a squid. Now that we know what our text is mostly about, we can move on to step 2, which is to find clues for the author's opinions and feelings about the topic. Finding clues about the author's opinions and feelings about eating squid will help us answer this question, which is our TDQ of what is the author's point of view toward eating a giant squid. Let's take a look at the clues we have for this page. Clyde, always curious, a chemical similar to one in our urine, and this illustration of Clyde eating the squid. We know what our clues are about this page, but we need to decide if these clues are positive or negative. If someone is always curious, that lets me know that is a positive thing. They want to know more. Now, I see this silly picture of Clyde being a little bit scared. And I think chemicals similar to one in our urine, that one's a little bad, but it can also be a little bit silly. So I think even though the urine is not so positive, overall, all of these words have a pretty good feeling to it. That lets me know that the author has positive feelings about eating giant squid.